In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn on Auto Rotate on a Samsung device. Auto Rotate is a feature that allows the screen to automatically adjust its orientation based on how you are holding your device. This can be really handy when you want to switch from portrait mode to landscape mode without having to manually adjust the screen. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then swipe down again. Now look for the portrait icon. Simply tap on it to turn on Auto Rotate. This is how you can turn on Auto Rotate on a Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.